If you like Star Crunches, then you are going to love these Star Crunch Rice Krispie treats. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start by adding our butter into a large pot. We're going to throw in some little caramels here. Stir this up. You want the caramel to start to kind of melt down. Keep your heat on low. It's so easy to want to rush it, but you got to go low and slow with this recipe. Next, I'm going to add in some raisin puree, and I'll show you how to make this puree on my blog post. It's just blending up raisins and water, because I didn't know that Star Crunches had raisin puree. Did you know that? They do? Oh my God. Okay, so now we're going to add in some unsweetened cocoa powder. Dump that in, stir it on up. And next we're going to add in some rolled oats, because Star Crunches got rolled oats in them too. It has like I think Star Crunches has like an oatmeal cookie in the middle. It really does, y'all. Dissect one and see. Okay, so next we're going to add in some chocolate chips. I got semi-sweet and milk chocolate. You can use all milk chocolate, all semi-sweet. Doesn't really matter. Use your favorite. Stir this all up until it is combined and the chocolate has melted. And next comes our marshmallows. I really say marshmallows in real life. I'm trying to say, the proper marshmallows. Okay, stir that on up. And this is the fitness portion of this recipe. If you get tired doing this, that means you're out of shape. Y'all about pass out for real. It takes a lot of arm strength to do that. It really does. Next, we're going to add in our vanilla extract. And then finally, we are at the last ingredient of this recipe, and that is Rice Krispie cereal. Dump those Rice Krispie cereals in there and stir it up. And honey, I was tired. I was hurting Linda, but I got through it. It's going to take a little bit of strength to kind of get all that stuff coated, but I got it done. It should look like this right here. Perfection. Then we're going to scoop this out. Pack it in nice and tight in that cookie scoop, okay? And then we're going to plop these right onto our parchment paper. Don't touch them. They're going to be very, very, very sticky. Just plop them down and just leave them be. We want to give it plenty of time to set up, probably like 10 to 15 minutes to really, really, really firm up. It has all that sticky caramel and marshmallow, so it may take a little bit longer to set up. Then get you like the bottom of a cup, a measuring cup, a spatula, and just kind of press it down just like that, just into like a little patty shape. You can use your hands to kind of shape them up, but that is pretty much it. Let them finish setting completely, and now you have a Star Crunch Rice Krispie treat, perfect for a lunchbox, bomb for bake sales, okay? Make it and let me know what you think, all right? Later.